Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to use the Ezdubs app. It's super cool and really easy. Let's get into it. First, download and open the Ezdubs app. Once you're in, you'll see a bunch of features, but let's start with the basics. To make a real-time call in another language, just tap the call button. Type the number you want to call or choose someone from your contacts. Even if they don't have the app, it still works. Then choose the language you want to speak in and the language the other person understands. Now just talk like normal, and EasyDubs will translate your voice into their language in real time using your voice and emotions. So if you laugh or sound excited, they'll hear that too, just in their language. You can also send voice messages. Record your message, pick a language, and it's instantly translated in your own voice. It even works for group chats with different languages, so everyone hears or reads messages in their own language. There's also text translation available.